Today we're going to make chocolate mousse with fresh strawberries. To get started on making our chocolate mousse with fresh strawberries, we're going to make our mousse first. So we have 8 ounces of cream cheese in a bowl. I'm going to whisk this first, beat this together till it's smooth. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk. Next, I'm going to slowly add 1/2 cup of our powdered sugar. Next, I'm going to add our 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, nice and chocolatey, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And that's all it takes to make this delicious homemade chocolate mousse. So we're going to take the mousse and I'm going to scoop this out into bowls. And then we're going to top it with some fresh strawberries. So I love to make individual desserts because it's easy to plate, it looks delicious, and then also nice portions. I'm going to scoop this out just to make 2. Obviously double, triple the recipe depending on how many you're going to make. And now we're going to top this off with some fresh strawberries. So I have here strawberries I've already washed. I'm going to just slice some and then I'll leave some whole to garnish too. So these adorable chocolate mousse desserts are ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com and don't forget, like, subscribe, and for more entertaining tips, follow me on Instagram.
Το κουτάλι έξω. che
This is how it looks.
fame.
Looks gorgeous.
E si cuce